Hello, welcome to my channel, welcome to the potting shed. So today I want to talk to you about overwintering chili plants. So this is my Carolina Reaper from this year. It did alright, but I want to give it a really good start next year. So I'm overwintering this one and some others, so I'll take you step by step on the process and explain a bit why I'm doing what I'm doing. So first of all, I'll start with the tools that I'm using and other bits and bobs. So I have my coir ready here. It's gifted to me by Cocoa Coir Company. It's got some feed in, which is good because it will need feed. I've mixed it a bit with topsoil just to bulk it up. I've got some clean pots, sterilised pots. These are either smaller or just the same size. I don't want to be putting them into bigger pots with more compost. That will give more energy to the plant. I want energy to go to the roots, and this will give me more fruit next year. I've got some stuff for fungus gnats. This will go on the surface. I've got some fungus gnat killer. I've got some sticky paper, because when they go inside, they will undoubtedly attract fungus gnats. So I've got some mycorrhizal fungi, scissors, secateurs. I've got some spray. I want to give the plant a spray of dispersible aspirin and bicarb. This will cure any diseases and prevent any diseases. And I've also got some seal and heal, so when I do bonsai the plant, give it a cut, anything that I do cut I'm going to seal. So that's the tools I'm using. So first of all I want to deal with the roots. They're a bit long, so I'm just going to give them a bit of a trim. Put some mycorrhizal on the roots. So that's another chili plant ready for overwintering.